Elon Musk has a plan to build a complete city on Mars by 2050, where 1 million people can reside without external assistance. Initially, Elon Musk's plan was mocked by everyone, but people started believing in the dream of Mars colonization when NASA joined SpaceX for the Mars mission. Over the past several years, SpaceX has made significant advancements in rocket technology. Just as we know that Musk's company, Tesla, is an expert in manufacturing electric autonomous cars, they have employed similar technology in SpaceX rockets, which have the capability to reach space using minimal fuel. A special Starship is being developed by SpaceX and NASA that will operate on the batteries used in Tesla vehicles. However, the question arises, how is it possible to establish a human colony on Mars when there is no breathable air and no resources for sustenance? When there are no basic facilities for human habitation on the barren surface of Mars, how can a colony of humans be established? These are the questions for which you can find answers in this video. Let's talk about why there is a need to send humans to Mars when there are all the natural facilities available for human habitation on Earth. In the past centuries, all the research conducted on the health of our planet Earth has disappointing results. Scientists say that, since humans started using fossil fuels like gasoline and gas, the temperature of the Earth has been steadily increasing, and it will be impossible for any living being to survive on Earth after some decades. According to a survey, the average temperature of the Earth is increasing by 0.16 degrees Celsius every 10 years. Due to the rising temperature, glaciers are melting rapidly, and the chances of floods, cyclones, and tsunamis are increasing. It's not just about fuel consumption. Pollution has also damaged our planet's ozone layer. The ozone layer, which protects us from the deadly rays of the sun, is gradually being depleted. According to some reports, one day our Earth will no longer be habitable, and that's why we are already searching for another planet for ourselves. According to Elon Musk's plan, in 2026 a small group of humans will go to Mars. This group will have all the necessary supplies to survive for at least 2 years, but before this group goes to Mars, it is crucial to build a protective shelter on the Mars because of the harsh conditions. These protective shelters will be made from the soil available on Mars, but when there are no humans on Mars, who will build these shelters? The robots present on Mars will construct these shelters. Artificial intelligence robots will be sent to Mars before humans to perform specific tasks. Although these robots can work in different sections, but they can also join together if needed. These robots can work much faster than humans and are equipped with advanced tools. Once the shelter is complete, the second phase of the robot's mission will begin. A group of humans will land on Mars for the first time, and the robots present there will welcome the humans and take them to the base unit. Inside the base unit, small units will be placed that can extend themselves, because the atmospheric pressure on Mars is very low. Thus humans will stay in these pressurized units where artificial pressure will be created. If any human needs to go outside the base unit, a special vehicle will be fixed at the cabin's door so that the pressure inside the unit does not leak when the door opens. Now it's time to build a greenhouse on Mars so that vegetation can be grown. According to scientific research, only potatoes and beans can be planted on Mars. These plants on Mars will provide humans with oxygen in addition to vegetables. However, the oxygen production will not be sufficient, so arrangements will be made to produce oxygen on Mars as soon as possible. Amazingly, the Mars rover has already conducted this experiment. It utilizes a special device that operates through solar energy. This device will pass the carbon dioxide from Mars' atmosphere through it. This process separates oxygen from carbon dioxide. This means that a small team of humans will be able to produce oxygen on Mars. The frozen water beneath the Mars surface has already been discovered by the rover present on Mars, and it will be melted to produce water. Scientists believe that if certain changes are made to Mars' atmosphere, then maybe after 100 or 200 years, Mars could become as green and vibrant as Earth. Some of the ideas being proposed for this project will be difficult to believe. Elon Musk has proposed an idea to increase Mars' temperature by using nuclear weapons. According to him, if 10,000 nuclear missiles are fired on Mars, its ice would melt and the overall temperature would increase. Elon Musk and NASA's current plan is to send a small group of humans in 2026 to conduct various experiments, and after 2 years, when Earth and Mars are closer, then more people will be sent. By 2050, around 1 million people will reside in pressurized cabins on Mars, and efforts will be made to increase Mars' temperature. Their belief is that after 100 or 200 years, they will succeed in making Mars a planet similar to Earth. That's all for today. Comment your thoughts about this mission in comment section and subscribe our channel for informative videos. We will meet you soon with another new video.